Welcome back. Your dreams were your ticket out. Welcome back to that same old place that you laughed about. Well, the names have all changed since you hung around, but those dreams have remained and they've turned around. Who'd have thought they'd lead you?
All right. Welcome back, Stretch. Okay. All right. Cool. Hopefully that last work session was a productive one. I kind of had to like retweak some things, so I'm still working my way through the tutorial, but I had to set some stuff up. I didn't think I would have to, but I'm thinking I have to. So just in case I did that. So yeah, but getting there. I'm getting there. So I wanted to take a look at since it's pretty much the last day of 2023, and I've always seen all these different wrap ups and stuff, and I wanted to check out this other one that's on something that had a lot of good stuff happen this year. So I think it's kind of slept on. So I wanted to talk about it, and it's pretty dope. I'm a big fan of it. And so what I'm talking about is CSS. So the good folks at Chrome for Developers, developer.chrome.com, did a CSS Wrapped 2023. And so I'm going to copy and paste the link here next to the recording of the video so you can check it out for yourself. And I figured why not just kind of go through it and see all the different things that's happened in the land of CSS, because it was quite a bit. And yeah, so I'm going to kind of go through it. Because again, CSS is getting more and more powerful every year. And they even talk about some of the stuff that just still kind of blows my mind. So we'll go through it quickly. So, all right, so here it is. And then CSS Wrapped 2023. And then you can jump to the different start here. Now, this here, that first one, the trigonometric functions. Like you can do trigonometric functions now, like in CSS. So I think they have like examples and stuff, but that's super dope. The end selection stuff is super cool. So there's a lot of stuff. So as far as architectural foundations, typography, color, responsive design, interaction, there's more stuff, and components. So there's a lot of stuff in there. So pretty dope. Now, okay, I think they mentioned it also, but so wow, 2023 was a huge year for CSS. From Interop 2023, which we spoke about before, to many new landings in the CSS and UI space that enable capabilities developers once thought impossible on the web platform. Now, every modern browser supports container queries, subgrid, the has selector. See, this here though, because on MDN, like I actually looked it up because I was doing something. And I was like, oh, it would have been awesome if the has selector. I don't know how recent this is, but if I look up the has selector, CSS selector on MDN, I just did it, I think even like today or yesterday. So let me pull that up. Okay, so now the reason why I didn't mess with the CSS selector, because here, share this tab instead, it says that has is limited availability and that there's like Firefox is not messing with it. It doesn't have it right now. And so that's why I was like, oh, I think I had to do something. I think I was able to get it working with where. I had to do some trickery. But if it has, it would have been great. But because of this, now I don't know how, because it says limited availability. I am not sure how up to date it is. Maybe it's taking some time to update. I don't know. I do not know, but we're going to keep it moving and just say we'll roll with this one here. So, but it's later on in the document. So let's see. New color spaces and functions. We have support in Chrome for CSS only scroll-driven animations, which I'm really hoping it comes to. I think it's Firefox again also doesn't have it. Well, it's in there, so we'll take a look at it. And smoothly animating between web views with view transitions. And to top it all off, there are so many new primitives that have landed for better developer experiences, like CSS nesting, which is awesome, and scope styles, which is also cool. So what a year it's been, and we and so we're what? And so we'd like to end this milestone year celebrating and acknowledging all of the hard work by browser developers and the web community that makes this all possible. Word. Shout out to everybody. So now see, okay, so here's the baseline thing, which we spoke about in a previous cipher. Look out for the new baseline badges next to the features, and you can learn more here, which we think we actually went to that last week, I think, to talk about it. So, newly available in all stable versions of major browsers. And then we have the partially available in browser engines. So, kind of like limited availability that was showing up at MDN. All right, so we'll keep going. So, foundations, nice. They use like these nesting dolls, which I guess makes sense because as far as CSS nesting. So, dope. All right, architectural foundations. Let's begin with updates to the core CSS languages and capabilities. These are features which are foundational to the way you author and organize styles and bring great power to the hands of the developer. Nice. So yeah, again, this trigonometric functions, that is still super dope. So now you can do sine, cosine, tangent, a sine, a cosine, a tangent 2. A tangent 2, I'm not even sure what that actually even is. So I have to look into that. But making them available across all major engines. These functions come in very handy for animations and layout purposes. Yes, so if it's like a circular, well, they have a demo here. For example, it's much easier to lay out elements on a circle around a chosen center. So let's run this CodePen here. Hopefully my computer doesn't blow up. Look at that. That's just CSS. That is amazing. That is super dope. Blows my mind every time. It's kind of amazing. So shouts to CSS. So let's take a look at the code here. Oh, enable 3D. So wait, if you don't. Oh, wow. That is dope. Oh, that is super cool. All right. Let's see. So there's some JavaScript here. Oh, see, okay, Firefox does not support has yet. So we have to set the nth siblings count through JS. Okay. So yeah. But just on for Chrome and all the other places. So yeah, I'm gonna look more because I could have sworn it said that it was good to go, but we'll come across it. Let's see. So yeah, so they got the layer, which is super. I still gotta get into the layer stuff. I've not really messed with that too much. Properties, so they're doing the angle stuff. See, this is really cool. Like it's getting to be more and more like a programming language. This is super dope. Yeah, you got wow. Look at this. Come on now. This is not like look at that. That is amazing. All right, cool. Okay, yeah. So that's super dope, right? Okay, keep going. Again, that is amazing to me. Complex nth selection. So with the nth child pseudo class selector, it's possible to select elements in the DOM by their index. Yes. Using the AN plus B micro syntax, you get fine control over which elements you want to select. Okay. So by default, nth pseudos take all child elements into account. Okay. As of Chrome 111, so let's see. Okay, so all of them look like they got it. You can optionally pass a selector, into nth child and nth last child. Okay, that way you can select that you can pre-filter the list of children before. Oh, okay. So in the following demo, the 3n+1 logic is applied only to the small dots by pre-filtering them out using of dot small. Use the drop down to actually change the selector. Okay. So I guess they call the little animations here dots. That's funny. Okay, so here you got big, small 1, big, small 2. Okay. Okay, so now Oh, so the elements that match the built selector will pulsate. Okay. Yeah, because it's like every third small one. So we got this one, two, third one, two, third one. Oh, that's super dope. One, two, and then that's it. Oh, that's because otherwise, previously, it would just did like one, two, three, one, two, three. Oh, that is super dope. So yeah, so if I well, let me all of them. So it should be every third. Yeah, so the first one. Yeah, so it starts with the first one. Yeah, so this one, two, three. Yep. One, two. Oh, that is super cool. Was big another one? Yeah, so big. So we got the first one, and then the second. So one at the bigs, two, and then, oh, that is super cool. Did not know that was a thing. Definitely going to mess around with that. That is dope. That is dope. That is super dope. All right. Um, did I say dots? Dolls. Why did I say dots? Did I say a dot somewhere before? I don't know. Whatever. This there's a glare on my monitor. That's what I'm going to say. That's my excuse. I'm sticking to it. Now that's super dope. That I'll be messing with that more. All right, now scope is kind of like not there yet because of Safari and Firefox. Okay, that's dope. Okay, so yeah, I just want to kind of go through all the stuff that is available right now. Nesting. Yeah, this is super. I remember they had like a request on how they wanted nesting to appear. So that's pretty dope to see. I think we spoke about it here on the show too. That is cool. So nesting can reduce the weight of a style sheet, reduce the overhead of repeated selectors, and centralize component styles. The syntax initially released with a limitation that required usage of the and. I remember in various places, but since then has been lifted with a nesting relaxed syntax update. Oh, that's pretty dope. They have links to learn more. Subgrid is a thing I want to get more into. That's pretty dope. So yeah, so it allows you to create more complex grids with better alignment between child layouts, which a lot of times when I create like different layouts, sometimes I'm like, oh, it's just gonna be a pain. So I'll just kind of like simplify it. But with this, we can do some cool stuff. It allows a grid that's inside another grid to adopt the rows and columns of the outer grid as its own by using subgrid. Okay, so we have this here. So what are we doing? Okay, we got that. What are we doing here? Is that going across there? I don't know what that's doing. Let's see live demo. Probably gonna load a code pen. Yes. All right. So, and there's no JavaScript, which is pretty dope. All right. So we've got the layered demo. Cool article. We got display grid. All right. So that's when they're spanning out. Okay. Cool. And then we got just the text colors. And then if it's dark theme. Okay. More stuff. Where's the subgrid stuff? Subgrid. I am. Oh wait, unless. Oh wait a minute. No, so it's not like an actual subgrid. It's just a grid within a grid. Is that what we're saying? So yeah, because here's the grid on the whole article. Again, this glares. Okay, I cannot. I gotta move this light because I see another grid, and there's a grid here with the header. I'm trying to figure out where exactly. See, this I'm gonna have to look into more because I don't even know. But I'm gonna keep this moving. All right. So yeah, so head, body, and footers align to the dynamic size of their siblings. Oh, so wait, what? Oh, okay, wait, hold on. Oh. So it's saying, oh, this won't let me? Okay, it won't let me. Okay, CSS. So I think what it's saying is, yeah, so the heights here matches this one. And the same thing with the footer. They're all kind of like, yeah, okay. Now if I were to make them smaller, yeah, I guess similar because it's straight across. I don't know. Maybe that's what it's talking about. I don't know. I've got to look more into that. I have not looked into this yet. They got typography, which is dope. Yeah, text wrap, which is cool. Now, this initial letter is not really there yet, but that's super cool. Let's see. Balance and pretty. Okay. So this is where two new text wrapping techniques come in. One called, oh, no, it's not even ready yet. Never mind. Keep it moving. Does it? But this one doesn't tell me like which browsers don't. Oh, I guess it's just in general. Maybe it's what, because that one, it doesn't have a browser support. I don't know. Okay, cool. Color. That's always cool. So we got some new color spaces. Very nice. Super dope. Okay. Again, why is there double there? Not sure. That's cool. Color mix. All right. So mixing color is a classic task. And in 2023, CSS can do it too. You can not only mix white or black to a color, but also transparency. And do all this in any color space of your choosing. That's super dope. It's simultaneously a basic color feature and an advanced color feature. Oh, so mixing these two colors. Interesting. Yeah, when it comes to color space stuff, I don't know. That's dope. Okay, that's not ready yet. Relative that, but that looks like it's gonna be cool. Relative color syntax. All right. Responsive design. So yeah, here's the has thing. And so size container queries, which is dope. The container stuff here. That's dope. Oh, see, I didn't even know there's like a CQI. So yeah, so you'd be able to take your like from different like screen sizes. You can like really switch up how things look, which is pretty dope. Look at that. It's almost like new, like a whole new layout. That's pretty dope. Okay, that's super cool. Let's see. Okay, style container query is not really ready yet. Again, this one doesn't say, oh yeah, it does. Okay, cool. Now, here's the has thing. So, that's what I don't understand. Like, for almost 20 years, developers asked for a parent selector in CSS. With the has selector that shipped in Chrome 105, so it's been there, this is now possible. For example, using card has like image hero. So if there's like an image hero, it will select the card elements that have a hero image as a child. Yeah. But the thing is, oh no. So yeah, this card doesn't have an, but then see, it changes the whole style of the card if it does. That's pretty cool. But then let me see. Yeah. There's no so maybe but the previous one said that you couldn't do it didn't work in Firefox because the has wasn't there. I don't know. That's weird. I have to look more into that. That's super dope that it's there though. See, this is cool. I like this. Yeah, that's cool. That's just all with like CSS. That is amazing. That is that's dope. You know, and I think because I wanted to do something with scroll animations for a project, but the problem is, well, it's down here more, but I think I might have to switch to something like this for my project. I want to have something where it'll scroll in, but I don't think it can do it. Well, we'll see. Update media query. Oh, what? Okay, so the update speed. So you'll be able to get more in between stuff. That is super cool. All right, that's dope. Scripting media query. What? What? Hold on. The scripting media query can be used to check whether or not JavaScript is available. Oh, this is very nice progressive enhancement. Before this media query, a strategy for detecting if JavaScript was available was to place a Node.js class in the HTML. Yeah, okay, I think I've seen that one. And remove it with JavaScript. Yep, remember doing something like that. These scripts can be removed as CSS now has a way to. Oh, wow. Wow. Wait a minute. So wait, hold on. This is interesting. Hold on. Wait. Let me check something out here. Hold on. What? Ooh. So there's a media Scripting none. Holy crap. And then, okay, I know I have JavaScript enabled. Why is that not? Is there a thing you can turn on and off or something? Why is that not? Huh, weird. Oh, wait, what? Oh, no, okay, yeah. It would show the theme. I thought it was going to be moving or something. It just shows it or doesn't show it. Oh, that's dope. That is super cool. That's not ready yet. Interaction. So interaction is a cornerstone of digital experiences. Oh, I'm over. It helps users get feedback on what they clicked and where in the visual space. Okay, so yeah, view transitions. Not really there yet, but luckily it's kind of like built into Astro, so they handle all that for me or whatever. I tried to do it by myself. I got it working, but when I tried to put it into Astro, it just broke. I don't know what happened, but see, like, yeah, that's super cool. Linear easing, that's not a thing yet. Well, not widely available yet. Scroll end, that's super cool, but yeah, it's not really ready yet. It's waiting on Safari for that. Scroll driven animation. See, this is the thing. So the new project that I'm working on, there was some scroll driven animation stuff that was there. And I got it working, but the thing is, for Firefox, it's behind a flag and is not available on Safari. And so I'm thinking maybe I'll do that later and then use that previous CSS animation one and that was the show before and maybe do that. Yeah, I might do that. I don't know. We'll see. But no, this is super dope. Like when this becomes a thing, oh, that's gonna be so cool. Like when it becomes like generally available everywhere, that's gonna be super dope. Deferred timeline attachment. I think I've heard about that. Okay, cool. There's just so much stuff here. So yeah, and I'm waiting for the overlay. Oh, waiting for overlay to happen. Starting style. Oh, I didn't know about that. So yeah, there's a lot of like so cool. So cool. And the components, popover. I am so waiting for popover just to be a thing. So yeah, waiting for popover. Because I want to do something like this, but the thing is, again, it's behind a flag on Firefox. And so I from my site, I showed it earlier. I just use like a details. I kind of like hack the details to be kind of similar. There's not like animation going in and out, but it works fine enough. Horizontal rules and select. For some reason, this didn't work for me. So they have like this horizontal rules here. But again, see, it's not generally available. But it doesn't tell me for which ones. This is pretty dope. I had something at work where I was doing some stuff and I checked for it on the server as well, but like to just show in on the client side that hey, this stuff you're not filling it out right. So that's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. This is super cool too. Like the accordion, being able to have like your own accordion is using like details. And if they all have like the same name, then they will like only allow one to be open. That is so cool. It's like this one doesn't have a name, right? So you can open a bunch of them, right? You could open them all at once. Whereas if there is a name, see the second one is open, that one opens and closes the other ones. That's super cool. But then to make it work, there's like a polyfill, and so you have to like loop through them all and then check the one that selected, keep that one open, and otherwise close the other ones. But yeah, once that's available, that's gonna be super cool. That's gonna be super cool. Then in conclusion, CSS has such a renaissance in the past few years, and especially during 2023. If you're new to CSS or just want a refresher on the basics, you can check out the free Learn CSS course, along with the other free courses on offer at web.dev. And then we wish you a happy holiday season and hope you get a chance to incorporate some of these brilliant new CSS and UI features into your work soon. Yeah, definitely. So I'm definitely going to be looking into one of them. So shouts to these folks here. Great job. All right. So get y'all back to work. Speaking of job, because I got work to do. And so now I'm thinking I'm going to rework that thing I had. So yeah, because it's just going to be a pain. and I want to get it done sooner. So yeah. Okay. Back to work. Thanks again for hanging out. I'll send you all off with some traveling music. This is, we're going to roll with Nujabez featuring Apani B. The track is called Thank You, because again, thanks for hanging out. And I will see you 15 minutes after the hour for the final break session, where we'll take a look at an artist's website and listen to some tracks or what have you. All right. So again, thanks for hanging out. See you 15 minutes after the hour. And then we'll have extra time later also. So sorry about that. It's just the CSS stuff is amazing. All right. Cool. Thanks again. Nujabez featuring Apani B. Thank you. All right. Y'all be easy. Peace.
But let me start from the heart. I just want to say I thank all the sugar love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank you all for showing love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. But let me start from the heart. I just want to say I thank you all for showing love to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning.